Today's task is buffer overflow attack. This is a type of attack that exploits the software vulnerability where a program writes more data to buffer that it can hold. When this happens, the extra data spills over into adjacent memory locations, potentially overwriting and corrupting valid data or executable code. Attackers can use buffer overflow vulnerabilities to alter the execution path of a program, allowing them to execute arbitrary code, crash the system, or gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. This can lead to serious security breaches and system compromises. Now let us know what is a shellcode. Shellcode is nothing but a series of machine code instructions designed to execute by the target machine. The provided shellcode is for spawning a shell. Now let us go into the code. Here we are given different types of shellcode. Using this content code, the shellcode is inserted at the end of this buffer, and the buffer is written into the file called bat file. Here we can observe that a bat file is created, but when we try to open, it causes error. Here we have created a function execute shell which uses os.execv to replace the current process with the shell bin sh. This function is called spanning a shell. Check auth. This function takes a password and checks if it matches boss or manager. If the password matches, the auth log is set to 1 and the function returns auth flag. Next, main function. This function handles the password input and calls. If no password is provided, it prints the user's message. If checkauth returns 1, it prints access granted. Otherwise, it prints access denied. The last task in the buffer overflow attack is buffer exploit. Buffer is nothing but a byte of array of size 20. Here, address is to be placed in the buffer, and pointer, the value of the address, is converted into an integer. The address is then assigned to this pointer. The buffer is updated with the little endian representation of addresses. For detailed information, don't forget to visit the website that I've mentioned in the description. Thank you.